So we've seen how to assign a value to a variable. Now we'll be looking at other assignment operators. Let's say we have a variable, a value 5 assigned to a variable, and we're trying to increase or reduce that variable by 1. How do we do so? So now I'll be showing you the two ways we can use in doing this or in achieving this. The first way is using the change block. So now come to your variables category, and under that you see your change block. So let's drag this and drop it on our workspace. Before we do this, delete these blocks, delete the set sum block as well as the show number block. So now drag and snap your change block to the onStart block, and now to select another variable or to change a variable from the sum variable to another variable, simply click on this icon over here and then click a variable you want to use. So in this case I'll be using the variable 1, so click on that, and now as you can see, change variable 1 by 1. So now what this will do is it will increase variable 1 by adding 1 to it. So if I come over here and I play this, sorry, I'll have to show the variable before it works. So now, to show the variable, come back to your basic category, drag and snap your show number block into your onStart block, and then drag your variable var1 into your show number block. And now, if I play this, as you can see, 6 is being displayed. Our variable 1 over here is 5, but because we increased our variable 1 by 1, it displays 6 over here. Now, if we want to decrease our variable instead of increasing it by 1, we simply change this to a -1. Now, if I'm to play this, as you can see, 4 is being printed out or displayed on the simulator. Now, the second way to change our variable, second way to increase or decrease your variable, or even multiply your variable by the value, is to simply set that variable. So let's come over here to our set sum block, to our set block. Let's drag and snap this over here. So now, as I showed you earlier, change this to our variable 1. And now all we need to do is come back to our math operator, click on our addition math operator, and then snap it onto our set variable block. So now come back to your variables category, click on your var1 block, and then snap it into the left side of your set block. So now set var1 to var1 plus. Over here is where you get to assign the value you want to increase your variable with. So if we say 2, come over here and take your show number block and snap it into your onStart block. If I were to play this, as you can see now it's saying 7, because we've increased our variable 1 block with 2. So instead of 5, it will display 7. Again, we can choose to either subtract, which is reduce, or multiply by a value instead of just add it. So if I come over here and change this to our multiplication sign, and if I were to display this, as you can see now it's printing out or it's displaying 10. That's because all we're saying over here is set our variable 1 to be variable 1 multiplied by 2, which is set our variable 1 to be 5 multiplied by 2, which is why it is displaying 10 over here. So yeah, so this is the two ways we can use to assign to increase or reduce our variable by a value. Thank you.